Hello everyone. I have great news because I won a prize. And are you thinking, how is that great news? Well, it's great news for me because I won a prize with a diecast and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So it's also a little bit great news for you. Why I won this prize? Because the YouTube channel Red Trucks was celebrating his 1 year anniversary on YouTube. Yeah, I'm very happy. Really heavy box, by the way, all the way from Australia, and I didn't have to pay any taxes. How cool is that? It says open here. Okay, let's do that. It is really well packed. Oh, there's a... Whoa! That is an overload of good diecast. Got a personal note right here. Hey, Don. Congrats for winning third prize on my giveaway video. You probably have most of these cars already, but I'm sure your son would enjoy them. Best wishes to you and your family. Regards, Jim from Red Trucks. Well, Jim, I'm telling you honestly, I think most of these cars I don't have. Well, let's have a look. Oh, this is already looking very cool, and I don't have this one. Jim, I like this a lot. A very old Matchbox from my childhood. Already made in China, but this is looking very vintage. And it is also in mint condition. And with the surfboard accessories, I like accessories. It is really cool. So I'm already really happy with this one. What is this? What is this? It is heavy. That is what it is. I have no idea what it is, but I like it. It is from Hot Wheels. Metal body, metal base. I like it. This is very awesome, but can somebody tell me what it is? Really, really cool. Definitely going to use that for one of my dioramas. Here another classic, I believe. Let's switch to another camera. A nice Jeep from Hot Wheels. Do we see year 2008? So it's not vintage yet. Oh, look at these accessories in the back. An axe and some shelves. Well, it looked like shelf. Maybe it's wood. It probably is wood. Really cool. Scrambler. This is also really cool. Now, to be honest, I'm not a fan of these shrunken cars, but this one is actually really cool looking. Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. This item is, oh, this is protection, I understand, yeah. Look at those exhausts, that is totally sick. A really pimped shrunken car, I like that. Okay, here we got another one wrapped in plastic. And it is a police car. Tennessee State Trooper. Does it have an opening door? Yes, it does. Looks like a 143 scale. Yeah, we even got a detailed exhaust in here. Is it a pullback? No, it's not a pullback. It's just normal rolling wheels. And it got a license plate. And when a car got a license plate, it is much more realistic. So this is a winner for me. We got some Hot Wheels. Don't have this in my collection, so I'm really happy with that. Jeep G10 with some spare wheels in the back. This is actually a really cool off-road model. And I think most of you know I'm a big fan of off-road models. I didn't found this in... it's from 2021, but I believe I didn't found this yet. So I'm really happy to have this one. Then we have a Matchbox. Another off-road. Yeah, this is a cool one. I like this one a lot. Black paint, no doors in the side. That's cool. Yeah, the steering wheel. It's terrible, but yeah, it is what it is. And I like the black wheels with the red lines around the rims. And also nice artwork. This is pretty new. Don't have this one. So this is also new for me. I like the white rims in combination with the red. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Yeah. We got painted front lights. This car is pretty complete. Yeah, I like it. Drive 5 Terror. When it got Terror on the side, it's a must-have. Chevy Bell air gasser, very popular in the States. Pure muscle. Cool artwork. Those loan cards are so much better. Yeah, maybe not for the environment, but for the artwork it is. Yeah, I have this one in my collection. It's a cool one. And I'm planning to do a wheel swap with this one, because I have some big wheels from monoblock wheels. Maybe I'm going to use this one. No, I'm try to keep the long card. Don't have much long cards here in Europe. Okay, here we have another Hot Wheel. Yeah, definitely like this with all these flames. Perfect for a photo on a hot summer day. Chrome base. Do we see a year? 2011. From a while ago. Well, with those nice red rims. I like these Hot Wheels rims. Really cool item. Let's have a look in the interior. Pretty curious about that. Not much interior in here. Very basic. Oh my god, this is a cool hot rod right here. What's this? Jim, is this a hair from you? Australian hair. This is a very cool hot rod. What is this? Matchbox. Wow, I like this. Look at those beautiful colors. Look at those wheels with Goodyear on the tires. It is perfect. Thank you very much for this one. I like that. Then we have another one right here, and I'm really glad to have this one because NASCARs are hard to get here in Europe. And this is a cool one. Plenty of deco, rubber tires. Not sure what the brand is, but it looks really cool. Roll cage inside. Hey, I think this is a pretty good match. I think they belong to each other. That is awesome. Now I have a set. Oh my god, I like that. That is cool. I can make a very nice racing photo with that. Wow. And last but not least, the Dodge Power Wagon. Definitely one of my favorite Hot Wheels casting. Okay, the wheels are a little bit big, but this one got a little mud on the side, and that makes it so much better weathered. We want clean cars in the real world, but we want weathered and a little bit rusty cars in the diecast world. Jim, thank you very much for sending me this. I really appreciate that. Please follow Red Trucks and a thumbs up. You really help me with that. And following Red Trucks, you helping Red Trucks with that. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later. Have a nice day. Bye.